Ghana no free. Burukutu ginger no free. The man Canada da yenyimuno. Yanyemedru yesuwedru neza shansa. The man in the burukutu ginger yezidazidur in the kekedru neza she. Intisue hun na nyimizia na nanu wode she durinsan. Ono na yeza ye burukutu ginger factory foforo no. Sesia burukutu ginger obogodu nyina na mabefu mfiri na computer sim. Why burukutu ginger ogu sashim jajaba burukutu ginger nyene wo chrome edu drinking bar wa bisama wo mo burukutu ginger 750 ml kor awu no no wanchemfa oye burukutu ginger cheers into wo so na way from the bottle ana yi sashe kor na fa posoto ano burukutu ginger it dey feel hide clear for the pocket or for the handbag inside. Burukutu ginger, very mensio.
Nom no nyansem, enton ma obi a wonya mfi dunwotwe ana oba a wafa afro. Saa adwadie nkratoi, FD ahwem agye atum se eye.
We are on Monday, December 7, 2020. Ghana for you now, you were 18 years and above. Yajumu Edaho. We are going to the polls. I mean, people who have registered. You got to about Sebema, the current president, His Excellency Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo, Atnaso, and I say, "If you do not hear so, I am a different person." And I say, "Mahama ba," but there two people pay. And the Kuroma say, "To be a omudi idea." Either in this one, PP. Now, if you summary, I mean, you can't do away without. You can't do away with politics. I mean, not just go into politics, but I mean, entertainers mingling themselves in the world of politics, because politics, no, we're in a country where we are governed by politicians, so we have to think about it and make sure that the people that we are choosing are right to help us. Meanwhile, Brabia, what will you say for the sitting president? Is it because of money, or is it because he believes in his ideologies? That is why he did a song for His Excellency Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo. Obekaya before so obeka samyen pipini no. Mene Sly Sylvester Japan our NDC celebrity. In Kumasi. He said a lot about Mahama, why Ghanaians should vote for former President Mahama. So Brown, so I remember Nana Addo. You had to control any man Nana Addo. Why he believes he is the right person for the country Ghana. Me desire Felix.
The family was Steve Berryman.
What do you mean? Before the social media handle before 7 to us.
You see the agenda na push into Nana One, but I mean because the or Steve Berryman Facebook.
So the name is Nana One right now.
Yeah.
Are you a musician or you are a political musician? Because one time you release song, you release seasonals. I mean, during politics, election times, and I release
We are full musician. Na we are musician. No chese unti krum. Oti omemu. Na oti krum na oti omemu so there. O won kwan so to aba. Sebi so adwene mu da won kon ade a.
So Nana One, nyumba sana manfo be kai before we go to the another one.
2012. Me na me Nana Akufo-Addo nyum. Monto mana now. Monto mana now.
I mean, apart from political songs.
Oh, my release my Tiwa. My release harder. Go internet and so and I say YouTuber. My brand Tiwa harder. Or Steve Berryman. When you subscribe to YouTube, I'll be home be our life.
So why have you decided to do, or why have you been doing political songs? Because just the first time we and your man Nana NPP and Nana Addo. I don't know, yes, sir.
Oh, to me, Nana Addo personally, you'll be a Okanokre. You'll be a Onim Nana Addo year, and Nana Addo is saying, be a catch you say, Nana Addo, the Okanokre. Many signed about many opportunity in meeting once in a while, or once in a time, be or I just have for a better more than a dino. Now, catch him say, made me see the man to Nana, my own mamma. I'll catch him say, okay, Semitine, then come a mefro. No cray, or frame, or no one can say frame. Children say, and you near come kwaha. But I say, fear some no, in singing in a hatentino, and I may bounce me paying for being a cassenti, but cooling him every dance, never I'm a pessimistic baby.
Well, it is in some course.
And some course, my baby, and I send you near me to me and do, sir.
You will do. So, when did you start doing songs for His Excellency Akufo-Addo?
Oh, since 2012, 2016, and 2020 election time. Yeah.
2008 now. So I think we started 2008, right?
Yeah.
2008 when you're 2012 when you're 16.
Yeah.
So 2008 now when you start now, sir.
Na mean so about that time no dey na ahodi ni wa meet me dey go studio atutu and am I say me ye ne but na design no but na ahodi ni but 2012 dey na ahodi no until it me real studio ye ne am I beat me ya pushi nyom no obi a onim bia hu sa nyom na we dey dance and sampa sometimes when MPP from penifo bi kura frame me say nti wa na adu sika ebo nyom no ka dada nyine nim say MPP na agi o say o dey bi o me na.
So let's go into the story. What happened? I mean 2012, right?
Yeah.
And you friends then?
Your friend Victory 2012.
My freestyle that song.
Monto mana now, Monto mana now, Monto mana na Akufo-Addo. Monto mana now, Monto mana now. Muntu ma MPP Yensuro bia baby aye ko bia nyame na ye wo Yensuro bia baby aye ko bia nyame na ye wo Yensuro bia baby aye ko bia nyame na ye wo Yensuro bia baby aye ko bia nyame na ye wo Germany.
That's a nice song. Apart from it being political, it's a very nice song.
Very nice song. Me say na Mr. Mayor confused. For time no your minister of friend me catch me say apart from Lumba nyom no obi ani wa no credit dey ba akopɛ ba I say yen nsem nyina na kan tie ye di nyom bi better
that no I did one nsem nyina kan nsem na ho
I say mintimi I say MPP no sometimes mama youth no glass youth no be breedi ya what I say because say e bi ekoya ada party bia wo kwa na ade ne o betimi afro so obi ya ade mpoma wa me de me si da man pipi bia mo ato atwene o mani wow wa mfa nko ba bia kra o dan no si ano to twene me am so ato atwene
oto on se ti o se yo say ma fa ade no ma to atwene busi na ma to atwene form
wa to atwene form
oh wonim
e wo gba we park malam me de man say you stand free platform no one to twene say na me gina nchen say me am de mani hu na ye me ya but and I make and say, yen seminar, if you send you in sing hata.
Oh, yeah, what make about modding? Come and politics, I don't want to venture.
Because me, which English amount for me deep politics nechi MPP. Yes, I be am so ya yenyum keka ma MPP. Me MPP ni ankasa me di MPP nechi ma. Those times, mami ayoko both time. He di echira mami omo ye me delegate. But MPP ba power mo mu no. Eni ama omo me ka akra me team MPP for na age free me self. Young guys be a former national security. As you be there Samoana.
Oh, the moody.
And never been to know the say the work. Oh, MPP for na age free. Okwo we are we see. But omokro omunye MPP for no. Omumomu ADD. Ye Jimmy nipa onye MPP ni ka. Ye jai nipa na mame am MPP ni am MPP delegate. Mi jai me dwe ho amante ase ye jai nipa kro de ma ne koi. Ama me kura ya hwehwe media ma ka chem so. Ka no bibia wo system nti momfa na de ma ne nko.
I know so kind of in system. Uchi for a chiro baby.
Almost me for a chiro baby. And I'm see when yes and it nti ene kikiki yen fancy police station me fa me documents mra. Me buy am the car na go Blue Gate.
Da be
Oh ache it's getting to a year now. Me di ho akone aba rewrem say they meet me bia. Akura MDS.
I have a model.
Omoji o SCC. Wija baby a DVL ni won o ba wani kakra bia e wono me na me gina me to fruit me gina na mo bae
jado mo sportive so wo ka
na mo dika bia echi o mo dika bia echi nti sa aka ne ba be wura baby o mo chi sa aka nti o mo chi sa aka mo ni gina ho debate a me se me gina me baby me to fruit me wa na guy ba ko bae o bae no say ka we ye hwehwe na me so hwehwe ni se den o say ka no kra chassis number wo ho ye moto number na car me di free Burkina na me say dey asem na okay na wa ba no bit came ma oh make am see form see na me say me ntimi see form say na wo fitin a ene me nkofa car documents na me say okay me minimo nti if that be the case I am for car go CSC police station na me nkofa car no documents na me say me kofa document na ba me ba na me the car ko
Ujaki wo.
Omo jiki ni na ma police for no. Me ba no mo jiki ni ko. Me ese me mra Blue Gate, me di omo chiko Blue Gate, me ko no mo chere me officer national security for head office. Me ko no mo chere me baby a me fa document ni ko. Me di document ni ko ye nipa na oti ono ye in charge ogogo document ni hwe ya information open by e ba no si o omo fa me ka ma me na me fa nko. Ana mo boy setting mind di se ono na e ka ho na e be chi car nti se ono no wa ma no mu jai car na ma me a e kwa ko bibi se o ma jimi sika ana se o ma jisike bi afimi nche na mo de car na nti ji se ono aba na ohun se ono na ma oda se emfa car na ma me na mind se okay and me ntwen me tena o ma e bo be 5:30 ko bo 6 na mo abeka che me se nipa na on ba ntimi nko afide me ko enne ochina nti me bra bi kwa na so national security oba na so o ani bi di me no ko ka che gan se me kura na me de car ni na mo ena me de air rounds na de na munim se me hu nipa na o mu enkomre afide yesi this me 2000 Ghana cedis because I answer o mu ntimi release car na me na car na kra ba bi aki na ko di ni si me 2000 cedis no so ama nipa na be si ne up and down sa cobra and echina see NPP from paying for no obi a wonim bia be wa so be kono ukokra so no amposi bra kra ye ma ukwan ma unra ho ye ma ukwan ma unra ho
we are company man NPP 2012
mia di misika ne man bia o pese obo am nat you spending more than 20 something thousand e was 2012 anyum no obi o NPP ni bia ni TV bia ni wa ya ma wo so uko demand receipt a obetima ko check records Adum TV na 2 atenka mere fi edoso Metro TV ni nyina ya isika na editua ye bibia
onya nkoso bia
one city MPP for kra ba power ba bia nana do mame ko hu
modi mbra oh that uti kasa bia ko hu ha se
o mame like o direct mame ko hu mpanfo bia omo ka chem so anyum ne ye kama ye kra anyum ne enim se ye ne afa de dada o ye nim se ni si but sa akoba ne se dia o de se ya ka be 2 weeks ana se na kakra ne ye to abanti no ye to aba ne wi a na waba ebesi ne she nkoso be bia obewre bia she ni we ekoso but I say no kure ne wo mu se na adu na nkasa ne de wa obenya kwan ni we hia bia obehu se or down to earth.
So upon going through all those things, because of the love you have for His Excellency, that's why you're still doing this.
And in fast, near na no. Maybe say any make a share video na nyama nim na wom.
Because me video, I heard guy wom na me say me sound like when I say wabo ti an say
David nyama nim na wom. Enyum no ma da but because of issues ni nyama make kan ya bi ntina ya wo memu. I was like, we cry no. Obi ani ubeye no krampo no. Enyum na ede. So kwa kwa say, "Hey, nya panimu we na so nsa de oba into obi amfiu. Enye we na de okọ into obi amfiu." Meanwhile, so message na nipa na kuta na say ye dwene ho. Ana enyum na nipa ndi aba no. Enye din ti content no na fa gina so ye ade a ode ye na onya mfa so pa wo. But enkonko ba santi no. We decided say enhu hi asem ye. Ena machi ba boy oba na say no. Ode enye hwe. Anya shekra your fast for me no free researches your omusu wo mu bi o mani omunya mfa so afes me o young girls bi o me o wie school omunyina school na benefit o ma ba fia ani je o mu nti o mu ba ani mi nuan ne me be kasa ya eno kra na me de me mfa meeting na me nuan se no on peniso ti ono a ko studio ko hwe se ono so odi machinti ni nyum no adwuma kaka akọ policy de be ka na fine ti me wa no be ka say nyum ni say no ya akọ akodu na ene me din koma convince me na me say okay de me nuan so kan yansa because ekofo bebre o a e bia anye sika me menya hye mboto ma na bibi but emfa so de na e ba akire ni eye ti say also you be a pa de yi a onwene de onkwa obedi ho what I say obedwen fa so a enchiri ma no so benya emfa so pa oman no benya because nana bai aya na politics no MPP for mo nkyira ni mamu yi se uti fie kura national health to me renew nneɛma bebree na bang light ntin bebree ni hɔ sharp cry or wow lie akwa on
na mo botwe na
ntino
bese me ko renew I think na me yaira me voters ID yaira and Saturday na me driving so the only time I akaye health insurance sim ko renew hey me the last be there all
ubebra ma utikura be yo ya na ni nyina ntisa kolebu sese okọ a wodo card kitu akọ ni nyina digital kolebu nkofa yo fa we tintintin ni nyina afiri ho on ti ni nyina ye se nyame ya wado no nya kwan ba ko mienu bitu obehu se Cezanne wako Dubai da udu Dubai o bank bu esi onipa bi antim nipa kura tim atupe ba ye yisika o ye bibia enso mre bi atwam no wa udu sika ukwa ko yi utimi di 2 hours 3 hours ni nyina ye niema nkitenkete a asesa utimi se wa watu kwan a anase nyame ayi wadoma wafa ba bi kakra wo enya ni bi kakra no behu se niema na esesa ena obi ase abrochire obi ase sei no eyese ya na esesa kakra na esesa na akwa ko du ba bi etwa se yeye timi mehwe saa ne ma ni nyina na mehwe se na ado no so no kwa adie wo no ankasa ni nipadua de no kwa adie wo ni mu na kese ye ntimi hwe ma enye kwa.
He is number one. My name is Zion Phillips. As I say, intimate and come Z mineral water. Open swap on there. Then Z mineral water. And also with me, pena or the bugu ubuso. So tons now tons Z mineral water. There. I don't know the kind of water that you are selling for people to consume. Or your wedding, funeral, naming ceremony, any event beer. Na per se or guest or manager or swap all the there. Then Z mineral water. Copy be na no we anaja or the brukutu akaho na the ochabi agu obo ebe madia. Mema nsuno brukutu. Ginger gin bitters na pena my cosmetics for say pepe nkun fasra pe shower gel fedware ope nkra nkun ebi wo ope nkra be say nkra trim anything about the human body there the body ama body na atoso there pena my cosmetics whether you are a guy or you are a lady copina my cosmetics almost shops no akra there almost everywhere ebi o Makola La Paz opposite Las Palmas no ebi o ko East Legon American House na ebi e wo Christian Village I watch motor ebi wo to taxi station ebi enso wo Kumasi Alaba ebi etimi wo na uko Tracy watch short code wo Kumasi a enso so no ebi e wo kope Panama Cosmetics na bibia entini enko so fine ema o body skin no na o body ni e fere na onim so de episode wo twidi a Mineral Touch makeup artist and I recommend it Eddie Ama. Call her on 0249916150 0249916150. Open to makeup go to Mineral Touch. Open makeup products so atwa go to Mineral Touch or Achimota opposite Kingsby Hotel. Now may catch also say so UK, Belgium, Italy, France, Holland, Spain. Now open to this cabaret ebusan for Ghana. That's na one ekano. And now now be bank I could DQ so now cashless just on your phone. Download tap send. Tap send. Register. If today happens to be the very first time I'll register. Use the code Zion Felix. Open £5. But I can't now be sending on. So tap send. Any mobile device we are using, be able to download it. Say Android, I go to Google Play Store, search for tap send. Download it. iOS and I say iPhone and I say Apple Material. Just go to the App Store, search for tap send, register, send money to family and friends. And by the way, phones direct, mobile money. Never we call bank. I could give you as well. There we go. So I'm on a creme. This our time now. Why? Oh, Chrome has so now person send car on mobile money. The GPay is the platform that Zion Felix I recommend for you. Dial star 270 hash. Star 270 hash. New song the title today.
Victory 2020.
Victory 2020. Mami freestyle in Hong Kong.
4 more for now.
Before you go on, Nana Adodako for the 4 years. Are you impressed with his performance?
Oh, sure. Because Ocean Yumunukan can say Corona in say and share Kufu Adwa. Can you probably 12 as to same confirm Bokina? Because serious one, I'm telling you.
Oh, I mean, coronavirus is with them. Everybody.
What I say?
I'm just saying,
if you are sure as Ghana, because this all they say, country crowd, which is a woody winning crowd. When you're in Suano, when you're Kanyaka Cremwada, I didn't any pioneer be.
I'm sure coronavirus time with the, everybody will attest to the fact that His Excellency control the issue very well. Yeah, so I'm listening to you.
It is Anna, I can't say, Moshe, first and now, and Kofobi cancer and be saying, mo to abama brante na but o hwe ya ntisa ti na nyom say mama ba ya no obeda yo nana do na sorry a obo adwuma no de de ne kwa akon a odi nkunimu osono ba ne nana akufu ado ti se duro na okoto e se otoma osono ba na se de be ya ye nyine be na ntise sim near Yakov Laster house ebiem.
Why is your face not in the song? Are you afraid of your security?
Oh no nyane sa on say me ka kire o say me nua no me chiba na e fe na kwesi
So on no video no.
on na e fe na one no ono no
I want to. I'm getting confused here. So and you know how to tone no.
me na me kire onyom no to ye bibia o studio.
But in the video and the name of the that you say Nana One.
Yeah.
So why you call yourself na? So and you know una auto but me for dinner that so.
Me na me kire onyom ye ho adwuma nyina.
Una auto here.
But edu baby ni say dem me no share nkomo na say ma ba mu bu say me nye bi.
I understand that part, but vocals on the song you beat why vocals?
Me vocals.
But a ding a different person ding.
Yeah.
Nana One.
Me chiba me ne na ye adwuma.
So Obia tie we just say Nana One 2 be Nana One 2 una auto here.
Me ye bibia.
That why say na see ni di eja.
Sabi o pepe ba me dem ye cool say me nua na me san ne na me
na see onyoku na see onyoku
say na
cuz it's the same story
na see they say bia
and that for come go me that for peace go is it omuga say like
omuga true ba me
dem
me ni problem cry na
I hope say you
yes the opa dey akokotoko bia enye na bro e bia the way am kra ma ba mu bu ye na me yes me nya nyom say sisi ayeti yi opanyimu kura afre no say ya bra be fa Range Rover say ka wanya nka minya what I say ntino me de me cool akoma mu fita nko na hia
nti ade da wa Nana One na kasa mu amba wo na wo so na wo ye
kono na set na ye we but na campaign bi so course or ye songs bi so ma enye we nko ye songs bi a odi ma my bi wo seshi be kwai nti o akodi seshi sisi a na I think say china so be ko untumi station is one baby na mana basa na concerning me 2012 and 17 no so untimi enye ono na enimu nti untimi ma due to say we platform no so nti ye kan asema ye kan de no kro mu se de be ya obi ogbebu sa question bia e bitimi ya no pepe nti ye sanity.
What are you doing right now? Say de be ya what happened in 2012 won't happen in 2020?
Sisi ano de na medical kan no MPP office no ko ha enyum no de mama basket ni si obi sisi eji ya na de atum
collection of campaign songs
bebrebe and dem an kan na meboa se ka se okura betena ho na ebia bon ba ko tia wani be ha no kura de e ba ko pe
doso pa
but yesi de enim na na pa de anke enso kan anya den enhwe na enim anajo eninti na ye kan so obi power pampam no wan tiam a nipa hu se obre ebia bia be fise bibia ye kama so na ne ma nye kama ti once ayenye pio platform no so no nsuo ni toy ne ye hu a de chien de be hu form se office work na untimi nya da ginti se nyum na eda platform isu de obiti ana se MPP platform ahodo ya de atoto so ne ade nyina obiti na ba bia ese de ade ne to ye de ato na mfiri anto.
So aside composition of song, what else are you doing for the ruling government to win 2020 election?
Oh, say the me area me wo mu ni ba bia metimi bia platform bia menya little chance bia even me namfo bi mu kura didi matem say na wo pa was omo mu ni mi de omu tenyum say ba omu ni say no anyim we ye wo na ye was akoye nyuma ma MPP bi was I say na maka chom say da bi say ka MPP for nyam panimfo bi say Lord come and yenye obi bi say Canada Japan abronye oh yinya sa ankrofo no so saa be se 10 e wo MPP ma Lord come say amanfo a wa bo mo chese ni area mu e fe keke enti nipa say ni so wo party ne se ye twa otikura unkodi nachi Kennedy bobo abronye wo frɛ no ne se wa amfa sisi a so ye hwan obe frɛ Kennedy the same thing Lord the same thing. But mama kana ebi o mo post kura news ankrofo no bra ja udi agwakro bi din sabe wo wato ase.
So what message are you preaching? Say fam to Obama.
Message am me preaching say minim say me amete ame no ka no de bia de aye me no minim de obi so de aye o but say yɛn mpanyinfo no mu di anim no even MPP akora yɛabɔ obi ani wɔ ho ama n'ani abɔ as si a yɛkasa party aba power no amanfo wɔ anim enu ɔmo de hwɛ ade ɔno oni sɛ ani no ɔno kora wagye mu ama naka so ate aseɛ nti once ayɛ wɔn kwan ayɛ wɔn ahoɔden no deɛ yɛnwu yɛ anim deɛ benya but sɛ wodo obi a na ahokyere birim anaasɛ wayɛ wade ama na ayɛ ɔyampo no na obi prove akyerɛ sɛ wo medɔw nti na woyɛ ma de wie mede kyɛ wo no nti obi a MPP mpanyinfo bi atia wo na so a wayɛ wadwen sɛ o me de me nto aba ma MPP bi ɔma yɛ misi no yenye wo ka eburu be 500 and something million emfiri wo nsem
Kwa na yesen
500 and something na me to 50,000 plus oh enso so no metia na meka we kire wa dwene wo ma ho dwene abusuafo a wo akire ho be a generational thinker na hwe se wo man no so betimi aduru to Dubai wo man no wo betimi ada wo dem a wo da se mo mfa aduane mre me na ye de aba wo betimi atena wo dem a se mo nsani sika ma Zion Felix na ya send enu na ye pese kurum ha dane enu no nti ene ya forget bibia na ye ka se for more for Nana to do more na de tie no yeah
okay so you know if you see tie na beti ebenye bieti
obi o share platform there any social media platform be be download nyum bia o internet so there only problem no answer we call Nana one we search Nana one for more for Nana to do more confirm
for Nana to do more
aye
for more for Nana to do more I hope say 2024 zaman castor ganche
oh ni nyina wo nyame nsem nyame na be kire
exactly about 2024 zaman
of course
o sabe campaign so
oh campaign song we there some people gusu tisono kwa there say we kra ma ba be there na che say o mu say afra moja ni
so are you campaigning for the president or you're campaigning for the party because in fact say nyame adina be 2020 December 7 His Excellency Winia. That means 2024 is not coming again.
Yeah.
When Winia na babiem, but Winia 2024 he's not coming. So if he wins, are you going to still campaign for the next person on better as a flag bearer?
That one asem wa odwan ba de ntumi wa ponche o ja say odwan ba nti no once am MPP ni na minja MPP ye ne de na di wie ni ofiri ho sa lancash na be bo se ho na be bo ye de atade nda so share nti e gina be e gina.
So you see there are some I don't want to say Kumasi people, I don't know because asantephobia. Your asantephobia Voterians be over. The fact that it is MPP, it is MPP. The fact that it is NDC, it is NDC. Opa for or trim now. MPP or trim jam MPP and say this or be Vutamana. On thinking about what the or train or they can do for him or her. Because or a Voterian and then where they are do or die for NDC or yeah Asantini do or die for MPP. What is it the case of may MPP into whoever comes and said the policies, the ideologies and things that the president can do to help the country?
Me dey me hwe ade ba ko na nanu no president ko Kumasi eni achim nyina na nanu mpanyimfo akora akan omu si dua na ba na ode behu dua akoro ye pedua eso abapa na ye duru ase a yetime nya bi atiedi edua enso abapa de wu na isi wu nti se MPP party no so obi obedi ani obeba bia oba niema ode ban policies ni niema no utimi say yes say na ye pese ye kuro ni ye obi asori a young boys ni edwane kwa abruchi na ofi say obi edwane yetimi sisa Ghana for kwa bu South Africa kura akeka na onya ba bi na na obre enso enye bibia o eye niema bi na enkoyi say sa niema no koyi a umfiri anko South Africa so ko hozo because system no bibia eye adwuma enti no eniema na ya omoka no ene nsem na omoton man yen ayewo na yehu say yes sa opportunity ni ye pension ye nya enti ya nya nti nkyese e bedi abra mammo di echi ni so nya ye de ebe ye de ya mammo di echi no etime nya sa opportunity na de akọ mani ti eno nti na ma MPP ni de da so ginem but say bia echi na de obi aba no no fi so MPP for the ya nti na afi de bi oba ene ma troka de a eno de bi because
do you see yourself switching from MPP to NDC?
Oh, you ask they say see Jimmy for nkwa na nsesa na adwe na ma edi kan kan no se ebedu mmiri bi na niema bi kokokokoko na se nkoyi dia why not esi ofuri kura bo na ba so tia
so the 200,000 bro we switch to NDC to go and campaign for them.
Oh na say obo bi akura approach me those times ma enemy tenacity like na sika o but ma anye And then yes, so this sketchy there. Even me no what I'm trying to say is say that time cry me year me MPP 2012 me can na me da kiosk move. Me can near man fan wa mo say. Who be obi oni mo be catch you. Na me da kiosk move mala. But idea open. And MPP a party be a would be a chair. We bet me one day or be bless you. Life nyina be sesa. What I say? Idea how do mushi ma. Ada inshira na beba. Enti no me de me nya sika me pe but nya sika no kwa na me hwe. Se ke sika no kwa na e bi kranka after 2012 na ka ma nya hwe
social media handles.
Sisi agenda na nyum we de social media be bia na 1. O search ya all the social media platform on sabet mi aka. And I me ankasa de Osti Berima and I say Osti official. And on na me am personal handle OSTEE. And I me Berima na BARIMAH.
Okay. And in case a person contact you, contact you through those platforms.
Miss me that is I.
Osti Berima na 1 and I me kasa me design Felix. I say December 7, 2020. Munyina na je nyina yakwa.
That I come out there back December 7th. Be release me single be a friend single ni din December 7th.
You got to about Monday no.
Aye. Baby a chichira abo no so aha na e be jai no ntino. Aha ya so na e be free edura bonten pepepe.
And then December 7th.
December 7th e be
Ago adofo me chiamo it is saying me din de ma me sewa na me wasem de bi catch what a tap sending ka Debbie what is say na na wo she ma men kan share way tap send app a obetimi atwe agu phone so na wo ba bia wo Europe a wotimi send sika ko Ghana e koma wa adofo ententem hona na se wo mo sika no so mo MTN so Vodafone Tigo ana se Airtel so a omo benya sika ne tentem hona na de wo mu kra ne se fees bia anka ho untua fees bia and exchange rate no so was sure kama o iPhone ana se wo Android that de obeya ne se obekọ App Store no na wa hwehwe tap send chale me say menye ja ho me say tapo na send